Hi, I'm Shad from Cyclestore. Today we're going to talk through simple roadside puncture fix. This particular type of valve is a Presta valve. This has a little threaded valve on the end. For today's purposes, I'll imagine that was the puncture. So if you came to your bike and the tyre was flat, you're going to have to remove this little valve nut. I'm assuming there's no air in your tyre at all. You can work around and push the bead away from the rim. Both sides. Sometimes you hear it snap off if it's been a particularly tight fit. On a combination of tyre and rim, such as this, if you're lucky, we'll be able to remove it without any tyre levers, just by working the bead around so you get a little bit of slack at the top. Pop it over and pull it down. If it was tighter than that, you just get your little tyre lever under the rim and flick it over, work your way around. Take the other side of the bead off. Take the tyre off. At this point it's worth checking that your puncture wasn't caused by the inside of the rim itself. Just check the rim tapes where it should be. Check there's no tears in it. Check there's no spokes showing through. Anything unusual like that. Check it lines up with the valve hole. Again, check the tyre for any obvious cuts all the way around from the outside. And then feed your fingers around carefully. Check for any thorns or sharp objects or glass or metal or anything like that. If there's anything, remove it. Easier said than done sometimes. You have to check it quite thoroughly. And then with a new tube, you'll have to inflate it very slightly just to give it a little bit of shape. Using a big track pump here, which you might not have the luxury of using next to the road. It's easier for today. Got a little bit of shape into the tube. And then taking over the direction as well. And most tyres nowadays will have a direction printed on them. Refit one side. Refit your valve through the rim, work the tube in. Careful not to pinch it. And then normally start opposite to where the valve is. Work your tyre back on again. Particularly careful in the last third not to pinch the tube. And then lock it back on again. If it was a tighter fit than this, you might need a tyre lever. But we're okay with this one today, luckily. Loosely fit the valve nut. Again, luckily we have a track pump here today, which should get up to pressure pretty quickly. As you inflate it, even with a small pump, you need to just check that the bead is on evenly all the way around. You don't want the tyre to pop off when you get to 80 or 100 psi. just visually check. Sometimes you have to just work it into place with your hands after you've got a 20 or so psi in there. Do the valve nut up, close the valve, you've kept your little cap, refit that. One last check just to check the beads on correctly all the way around. There we go. We'll fix puncture.